Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can find all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on System. Now select Language and Keyboard. Click on Manage Keyboards and select your default one under Manage Keyboards. As you can see, mine is LG. From here you can click on the switchers next to all of those features in order to manage them. If you wish to access even more typing features, choose Additional Settings at the bottom and manage all of those however you wish to. In some of them you need to click on it and manage them from here without a switcher. In case of autocorrection, select your language, tap on the best option, in my case aggressive, and go back. If you are using Gboard though, you need to click on it, tap on text correction, and tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!